now when I click on that text, so the image is not there. Will it come back again?
That's not a problem, ma'am. You can just re-upload it, like, upload it again. That's fine. That's fine. You just added the picture, right? You didn't work on
Yes,
it right
I
now. You just
uploaded
added
the
the picture.
image. Ma'am, I uploaded the image,
Yeah.
and then I went to the add text part,
Right.
add tag, and I took the first one, add text and media, and I'm trying to write
Yes.
there.
Yes. Yes.
Click,
Ma'am. Ma'am,
but the image,
the moment you click on add tag, add text and media, your
okay,
image will disappear. Right
okay,
now, you're working on what you want to add. Okay.
okay,
So once
okay,
you're done, when you click on done, you will be back on that picture. Don't worry. It's not gone anywhere. It's just that.
okay, okay, done, done.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that was about creating and sharing images. So I have already explained you how we share the images. We'll talk about tagged videos now. So there's a small video. Say there's a video about water cycle that I have, and now I want to pass it on to my students and tell them that how water cycle works. So I probably won't have a video here, but I can show you one I have done. So I cannot show you right from the video, but it will be similar process. There's no problem. I can quickly download some video maybe. Let us see. Okay, so create, upload video. Let me just upload any video that I have. Okay, so I have one about Google Forms. So I'm just opening that. Let us see how we can add the tags. So it is basically that I'm just showing you that how we can add the tags to any video that you have in your computer. So say this is the video. Now I know where I want to tell the child to do something. Okay, I already know. So what I can do is I can click on add tag. Okay, you should be playing the video and take the video to that instance where you want to add the tag. Right now it is the beginning of the video. I actually don't want to start this video because it is start. I'll just mute it and start. So once I start this video, say I want to add a tag right here at 58 or 112 or anything. Wherever I want to add the tag, I should be at that place, and then press on add tag and then start adding the tag, right? Like I want to tell something about this part, this untitled form. I want to add a tag here and tell that, this, so I'm just writing here, this is the place you start a new form from. Okay, say I want to add this tag, and I'm changing the icon also to read one, that somebody knows that, it is something to read first, and then we'll walk along the video. So I'm clicking on done. So now when I play the video again, I'll just bring it back. So it has added, you can see this yellow thing on the in this place. That means that it has added tag to this place. So I can make it longer. I can specify where I want to add the tag. So that is up to me, where I want to show it, like, this part, this much, this much. So I can specify that on my video. So what I've now done is when I play this video again, yeah, so when I reach that place, so I could see the tag. So that is how I have added the tag here. You can place it wherever you want to. Like I just make it here. So when I play this video and it goes till here. So it is starting the video from the beginning, and where you see a small plus on the slide, the place where you slide the video from. So you can see that where you see the plus, there's a tag. So you can easily find out, like whenever you make a video, you see a plus means there's a tag there. So that is how we can understand how to add the tags to a video. I cannot forward this video, otherwise it will not go to the tag. So I'm just waiting for a second that takes you there and shows you the tag. So basically it works similar for a picture, and it works similar for a image also, that you click and you add some kind of interactive media to your picture or video. So it works similar. So if somebody wants, they can try out the this part also to see. I just try to pull it back so that we can quickly see how the tag works here.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but is this a video? I'm seeing a Google form.
No, no, it's not. It's a video about how to create a form. So what is
Okay.
happening is I have added a tag inside that video. Okay, the video is playing right now. You can see at the bottom there's a pause button. So that means it is a video, right? So the screens that are changing, I'm not doing it. Maybe because of that, you're able to see that I'm doing something. That now it is on the tag. You can see it is on the tag now. So if I take my mouse here, I could read the instructions. I missed it out. So you can make the tag longer so that the child can see the tag for a long time and click it and read it, right? I hope it made sense. So as much space you allocate a tag, like, like if you know that the child will take some time to understand that this is a tag and I have to click it. So you have to make your space, the span of the tag longer. Like, you can just drag the sliders and make that yellow thing that you see here. You can see that I've kept a tag for this much duration. You can make it longer also, or you can make it shorter also. Like if you want to write a complete paragraph about something here in the tag, so you'll have to obviously make it longer. So you can drag the sliders and make it longer for your students to take time to read it. And when you're done, so you can click on just done. And again, sharing comes the same way. You can just click on share option and share the link. So I'm just putting along this link again for all of you to see how the tag was working. I will just check on this one and copy the link. I'm putting that again in the chat window so you can just explore how it comes out for you. All right, so you can try this one also. This is a video link, the one that I just sent right now. So coming back to the PPT, there were a few other things like tagged videos we have looked at. Similar to that is creating 360 videos. 360 videos, you will see that there are some videos provided by ThinkLink also, but they basically talk about geography, like, places. Mostly the 360 videos that you will see are not from India. They'll be outside of the India. So what you can do is you can go to, you can take it from the YouTube, download 360 video and use it for your classes. Like sometimes the SST teachers might have a video where they want to show the child about a particular museum, and also while showing that tour, you want to also talk about it. So that is how it works. We will also now look at how we create a tour. Like I was talking about, that there's a tour also that we can create using
Chitra,
yes?
sorry, but a few of them are a bit confused. So just to let the participants know, I'm just going to let Chitra finish the 360 tour, and then we'll take up all those questions. We'll give you all the time to do that.
I can also do that, Anuja, that I just do it image today because it is similar. Like, once you understand image, you can do it for any of them. Like you can do for video, you can do for 360 video, any of them. So right now, I'll request the people who are here, audiences, to concentrate only learning only one thing. Like you just take the tags for an image and learn that. If you understand that, you will obviously learn how to do it for a video. It's not, any difficult if you understand how to do it for a picture.
Right.
So if you want, I can start for a picture again.
Okay, so I think, okay, if the participants could put something on the chat box, if the image is clear and if you want her to just go through the video again, we will do that. Can you just answer for the question? If image is clear, should we all do the Google thing again? The video, sorry, the video part again, once more? Yes, I think more or less are clear about the image, Chitra. So I think if you could just repeat the video thing once.
Okay.
And then maybe if time permits, we can definitely, of course, do the VR. You can quickly take us through the 361.
Okay. So you can see that whenever you create a new account, so it will add a few 360-degree videos automatically. You can see that these are here. Okay, so you also have an option to explore what other people have made. When you click on this explore option, you can explore the content made by other educators, and you're free to use them if they don't have any restrictions applied. If they will have restrictions, so you will not be able to use them in your classroom. They might have done the settings. So you can see there's a lot of content here which can be directly used in your classroom. Like this one is World Ocean Summit. So it shows you a 360 image of some kind of geographical area. So there are so many of the other projects, like this is carbon cycle. There's carbon cycle explained by some teacher, so you can just click on it and you can use it for your own class also by just making a few changes that you want to change for your own class. Like you can see the teacher has already added the tag. So when I click on this plus, so it opens like photosynthesis. So there's some description given about the photosynthesis. And when I click on this plus, so it talks about gas transfer. You can also see there's an icon to read aloud. Like, when you press this icon, it is going to read aloud all the things that are written. So it is more for those children also, those who are disabled, not able to do something or not able to kind of, read it for themselves. So they can just press on this button and they can also understand what is there in the text. So I click on this one. So there's this about oil rig. They have explained this thing. So it works like, this one is again a picture. Let us start doing it for a video and let us see how it works out. I will not have any 360 video actually. So what we can do is we can take one of these only and practice it. So I'm just going to create. I'm just taking one video which is given here. I can click on add to media and it adds it to my media. So start editing. We can see this is a 360.
Chitra ma'am, 1 minute. Like
Yes.
I finished doing the image, cake image, I've done it. But because I could not, I've copied it on a Microsoft Word and I've kept it. Now, how
Right.
do I remove the cake image?
Who is this? Sorry.
Again, Dr. Uma Bhalerao.
Dr. Uma, we will take all your questions after just the basic is done. I don't mind. We'll stay back for another 10 minutes.
I thought that I can do the video along with ma'am. So that's why I wanted
So
her
do
to.
the video now along with her, and whatever you've done right now, just leave it and we'll do those questions again.
But then how do I create a new thing? The cake
Yes.
is not deleting the
You can
image of
refresh
cake.
the page, ma'am. You can refresh the page, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
you
Chitra,
can
sorry, Chitra. I know a lot of
That's okay.
confusion, but are you taking them through? So they all wanted the videos. You know the Google Forms video that you put up, and where
Okay,
you were
I thought 360. Okay, I'll do that.
She will also do, ma'am. Anyone will do.
also instead of the Google form, if you could just take any random simple video which doesn't have those clicks, because I guess they got confused.
Okay, let me find out from here if there is any other video. Actually, right now I just cleared out my computer, so I've removed a few videos.
No problem. Anything simple, just quickly take them through how to add the tag in the video. I understand it's the same as the image, and just for participants, as and when you keep using it, you yourself are going to explore and learn a lot of things. But yes, we do understand that, you want to, of course, go through the whole process once. So Chitra, yeah, sorry, but a very basic video, just again, how they can add tags to videos. So Chitra, are you there? Disha, can you check if she's there? Chitra's there?
So she's there. I think she's finding a video, or maybe she's got hanged. I think. Wait, I'll just check.
If you could just call her, yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Come there.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
there actually, but electricity is gone off, so it will take like 2-3 minutes to get it back.
No
So
problem.
I'm there. So those people who had some issues, they can start practicing it. In the meanwhile, my this thing is back, so you can keep on practicing. Okay. I'm downloading a video in the meanwhile. If I can do that, so I can show you properly.
So Chitra, are you okay to answer just a few questions till you're downloading that?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. We can do
So
that.
there was one question is if the tags that you put in the videos
Yeah.
or I guess even the images, can they be numbered? Is a question. If you want the learners to see them in a sequence, does it have that option?
Okay. So did you see that icon option? There's an icon option whenever we add a text tag. So there's an option to select an icon. So you select numbers in place of selecting book or selecting video icon or anything. So you can just select the numbers also. Yeah.
Okay, I hope that clears your doubt, Deepali. I think Deepali asked that. And there was another one about the video. All right. So when you do the tag insertion in the video, does the video pause when the child is reading the content of the tag? Or do you
No,
have to
no,
pause it?
no. That is why I told you video is going to play along. If the child doesn't click on the tag, you'll have to give prior instructions to the child to understand that, you'll see that red color book there. So that means there is something for you to read about. Or the child, or it can be done that in the classroom, you just give a simple glance to the child saying that, you will have these kind of icons on the screen. So pause your video, read through them, and then you can play the video again. So you'll have to give the clues to the, students.
All right. And so Blanche, I think Blanche is asking regarding a worksheet. How do you add a worksheet? Blanche, if you could be a little clear, because if the worksheet is an image, as an image, you can add it and do it like that, but I don't know exactly what you're asking. So if you want to...
I can help with that. I think
Yeah.
they're trying to ask that if there's a worksheet that I want to add, like it was a math thing that I sent on the chat box. So when you click that, there's a green button which opens a worksheet right there.
Yes.
So in that case, your worksheet should be online. So the teacher hasn't a kind of, if you have a Google Drive, or if you have a OneDrive, or if you have something, so take the link from there. Whenever we have any document on our OneDrive or our Google Drive, so we also have a link of that. So you have to take the URL of the worksheet and put it there in the text and media tag.
Okay.
I can see somebody has created a worksheet with tag numbers. Great, sir. You can share your work here so that others can also get an idea. I've told you how to share it, so you can just share your work. Yes.
He's asking actually
Sangram sir, how do you share? You can copy paste the link here on the chat for us to see. We apologize for the little delay, but we'll get back as soon as possible. Sangram sir, yes, as soon as the screen is up again, I'll request Chitra to show you again how to share, so we can just go through that as well.
Yeah, few more seconds. The electricity
Yeah,
is back.
no problem.
Few seconds, it will disconnect.
No problem. Sangram sir, in the meantime, if you want to see, just on your screen, there is a link. There is an icon which allows you to share.
Anuja ma'am, I have shared a link on that Elevate thing on our group, WhatsApp group.
All right.
Yes,
All right.
I've shared one image, but it says like media is not available right now. It comes over there. I don't know. Just open and see, ma'am.
Yeah,
I've
it's
just
showing
written
private, so maybe
and
Chitra can help us with how do you do that.
I have shared it.
Uma ma'am, it's written,
Elevate
sorry, this
series.
media is private. So maybe there's some setting which you need to change.
Yeah, so Chitra can help you with that setting as well.
And media is not available
Anuja,
right now.
could you just tell me the code once again, because I'm joining from my computer, so I don't know the. I just missed out. Meeting code.
The meeting code, yes. Are you taking it down? 666?
Yeah. I'm writing. You just.
666.
Okay.
235.
235.
9467.
9467. Thank you. I'm disconnecting.
The password is THT in capitals.
Yeah, right. I'm so sorry about it, because I told Anuja in the beginning also that there's some electricity power.
No problem. It's okay. We all have this little glitch on some days. So the ones who are sending, Sangram sir, Uma ma'am, if what you're sending, it says that your media is private. You'll have to go and change it in the settings. So Chitra, if you could help us, guide us with that as well.
I'll do that. I'll just share it. I'm just.
Ma'am, it's not saying like that for me. It is only like what I've shared. In that, it like 4 black circles, white and black circles have come, and it's written media is not available right now. Tingling. Same thing has come for Sangram sir also. Media is not available right now.
Yes. We'll solve
it's coming like that. The media is private, so maybe Chitra will help us out with that.
Yeah, we will solve that query. But just since Chitra is up, everything is up and running, Chitra, if we could again go back to just show us the tag of the video, so we can just take the thing in sequence from there. And we answer all the queries a bit later. Chitra, are we there?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, Chitra?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, great. So there was somebody who shared the link, but it is not working, right? Okay. So let us look at the sharing part again. I'm just sharing my screen and showing you share part again because there's something that you're not doing properly. That is why that is happening. So I'm in ThingLink right now, and let me go back. Like say I want to share this one. Okay. So when I click on this share button, okay, share link, okay, and I just did this one. If you don't do this one, then also there's not a problem. Like it is similar. And I click on copy link and I send it. I hope you're not doing anything other than share link, like embed media or publish to the social. So make sure that when you're doing that, so this one is clicked. Again, working on your problem, Mrs. Uma, that you were saying that, the things are not working when you've added the tags. So you have to make sure that I'll just edit this one to show you. So when you do this add tag and you do this, but you just click on done and you don't do anything, so it won't show any media. So I hope you're doing that. And about the numbers, somebody was asking that how do we number it? So change icon and make it 1. Like I want to put the first instruction as this one. So I'm just putting it on 1 and then I'm writing read through this. I'm just randomly writing anything, okay? And done. So that is how it shows number 1. So there was somebody asking that how can we number the instructions so that the child is clear that which one to look at first. So that is how it is to be done. And make sure your tags are done properly, ma'am and sir. Those were saying that there's something wrong with the tags not working. Go back to the picture again, reopen it, visit your tags again, hover your mouse and check, is it working for you yourself? Don't try to first share it. Try to check it in your own browser. Are the tags working? If they're not working for you, they will not work for anyone. So like that, now this is done. I was talking about videos, right? So I have just copied one video on my desktop. I'll just see that if we can do it for, yeah, I have the video. So let us do for one video because there were some people who are asking that how to do for the video. So I'm clicking on create, upload video. So there's this one video that I have about turtle head multiplication. So that's about multiplication video, something about multiplication. So it will take a little time when it uploads a video. So you'll have to be a little patient when you're working with the videos. Even that goes for 360. 360 are even more heavy videos which you use. So normally try if you want to make it 360. So take images in place of taking the video. So that makes it simpler that so say this is the video I want to send to the child. Now I'm adding a tag again. There was few people who were saying that it is not working for them. So I'm clicking on add tag. Now say I want to add okay, add tour we didn't explore. So create tour. Okay. So now select scene. So now there are some scenes from your own account that you can take here. So that scene should be already there in your account when you want to add it. Tour means that it will add a tag that the child is going to click on that and it opens right there in the window. Okay. So I'm going to do, say, I want to add this one here. And I want to write something here. This is your sample resource to refer. And I can also change the icon. So it is a picture. So I can just put a picture symbol or something like that, which gives a hint that what I'm talking about. So I can put it on picture and this one maybe, and done. Now this tag at the bottom, you can see the tag has come. I can now drag it to any place in the video where you want it to be showed. Okay. And I also mentioned that you can make it very long if you want to write a complete paragraph that has to be read by the child before he kind of watches the video, like some instructions that you want to write down. So you can elongate the span of the video, how long you want this the tag to stay on the screen. So I'm just starting it from the beginning so that we can see how the tag is working right from here. And I'm making it a little longer so that it stays on the screen. So you can see this one. So when I click on this, so it opens this one here. It is not happening for me because I am the one who is creating it and I have not closed it down. So the moment child clicks on it, so it is going to click on it and the eyes thing opens. That eyes thing that we made in the beginning, that we added few tags on it, so that will open and it will stay on the screen till the video is playing. Okay, so it is going to stay on the screen for that long time. I just quickly open it by sharing so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So I'm just clicking on share. So I've just shared that video here. So when I play it now, so tag has come. When I click on this, so it is going to open this and I can see this also. So I'm sorry that I'm not trying to make something meaningful here, because I don't have that much of content which can be linked and made. I've done a few of them, so I'm just showing you with the example of that only. So when I click this one, because we added something to read here, and when I click on this, so I have written something that the child has to read, and here there's a link which we already made. So that is how it works, and then again the child can go back to the video and start watching it. I hope this video thing was clear now. If you want, I can post this in the chat window also for you to understand how it is working for me. So I'm putting this one also. Shall we move on? I think.
Yeah. So if we have any questions for the inserting the tag for the video, so we are done. So I think she's covered the image and the video as well. So if there's any question regarding that, we can quickly take that, or we just move on to the 360 video. Chitra, can you quickly actually do the 360 video, and then in the end we'll take up all the questions.
Fine. I just do that. So I was talking about the 360 video. So now if you should have, the problem is that I won't have a 360 video with me right now. So I'm just taking one which is already there in this, it already has a few of them. Like you can see, this is an interactive video, but this will not be 360. Let me explore if I can find something here. Okay, so there's one 360 video I think put in by somebody, so we can use that one also. I'm now, but it is, I don't know whether we can, no, we cannot take that one because somebody has a premium account, has restricted the changes to, okay, let me clone this. So now, right now you can see that I tried to clone. Clone means it will make a copy for yourself. Like, when I click on clone and it is telling me, clone of this was created, continue browsing and start editing now. So you can use, somebody has done something and if they're not restricted, you can use their content. So I start editing it now. Again, this 360 videos opens and now I want to tell about some place. Okay, so let us take it further. I think this is again a picture, not a video. So the person has already added the tag. So when I click on this, so it opens something like, there's a video here, which I can click and watch. Then there's again this tag, which again has some YouTube video to watch. So that kind of a thing can be done. Like, you can see this one. So the way this person has done, so we can also do add tag. Like I want to type something about it or whatever I want to do. Like I want to upload some audio and talk about this picture. What is this picture? Where is the place? And all of that. So I can do that also by clicking on upload audio, and the audio should already be saved in my computer. Again, I'm repeating that thing that it works better when you have all the media in your device and not online. You can take just the YouTube links can be added, But otherwise, if you want to start from a video, it has to be there in your computer. You cannot take it from anywhere else. So I'm sorry, I cannot show you the 360. If you want, I can just, I'll just find out some video and I'll make a small tutorial and I'll send it on the group so you all can view it. But then it works similar. Like, you know, you can see 360 image. So similar that you play the video and then you decide where you want to place the tag, similar to the video thing that we did, and we can place the tag there. If there's any problem, you can try 360 tag and let me know if there's any issue that you're not able to work upon. So you can let me know. I'll help you out with that also.
So Chitra, just to clear a confusion, if anybody did have this, we are not creating the 360 video. We are able to tag in a 360 video as well.
Yes. We cannot create a 360 video here. It is that if somebody has created a tour of a place, which is a 360-degree video, we can just tag and inform about it.
Request everyone to go on mute, please. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. So I was saying that you can tag anything in a video, but you cannot, like if there is a tour about Agra, okay, Taj Mahal tour, you'll easily find it in YouTube. Download that video, add it here, and then you can talk about the spaces there, like, you know, because you can revolve all around the place. And if you have already visited, you will know that which place, you know, what is the significance of which place of the Taj Mahal. So you can just click on that, add a tag, and make it ready for your students. It can also work for anybody, like if it is a human body structure, you have a 360-degree visual of a human body structure in a video, you can add it about the body systems and make it like that. So interactive video.